Hello students, welcome to SPI online class. Today we will do class 5's math chapter 3 addition and subtraction. In number 2, see, add the following by writing in vertical column. Vertical column means you have to write like this. One thing you should know that the numbers which you are adding, the first number and the second number, these are called addend. These two numbers are called addends and their addition is called sum. Okay, so see how I had done this one. 5 plus 2 7, 4 plus 9 13, carry 1, so 1 1, 2 and carry 1 3, 6 and 3 9, 4 plus 2 6. So the answer is 69,337. Clear? Now number 3, subtract by writing in vertical column. Again you have to write in vertical column. Here see number A, 2,17,830 from 5,74,893. You have to see this here written from this, means this number is big, so this number you have to write first, then this one, and see the number which we write first is known as minuend. It is known as minuend, and this number is known subtrahend, and their difference means what the answer you will get, it is known as difference. Clear? So see, 3 minus 0 3, 9 minus 3 6, 8 minus 8 0, 4 means 14, 14 minus 7 is 7, then this becomes 6, so 6 minus 1 is 5 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So their difference is 3,57,063. Now come to maths number 5. Find the number which is 2,354 less than 92,845. At first see here written 92,845. Just I told you this is known as minuend, and 2,354 it is known as subtrahend. So after subtracting 5 4 we will get 1, then 4 5 means from 5 to 14 you will get 9, then carry 1, this become 4. 4 minus 8 is 4, 2 minus 2 0, and then 9 left, so I had written 9 here. So the number is 90,491. Clear? Now come to the next page. In page number 24, activity 2, fill in the boxes with the correct digit. You will get there some boxes are given and these are blank spots. You have to fill the number which is needed. So see here needed 6, so 1 plus 1 2, to make it 6, 3 4 5 6, we need 4, so I had written 4 here. Now 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12's 2 carry 1 and 9 10, 10 and 1 11, 11 plus 3 14, then carry 1, 5 and 1 6, 6 and carry 1 7. Now 6 plus 2 8, and when you add 3 with it you will get 11, so here written 3. Now carry 1, 6 plus 4 10, 10 and 1 11, so to make it 16 we need 5, so I had written 5 here. Now carry 1 left. Now 4 and carry 1 5, to make it 8 we need 3, so 5 plus 3 8, and this is 4. Clear? Like this you have to do rest of the maths. Now come to the word problem. See how we will do word problem. At first read the math. A chocolate factory produced 12,35,450 chocolates in January, 20,25,800 chocolates in February, and 15,20,875 in March. How many chocolates were produced in the 3 months? So chocolate factory produce three different type of chocolate in 3 months. You have to find total number of chocolate produced in these 3 months. So solution C. At first in statement I had written here number of chocolate produced in January, this is, then number of chocolate produced in February and number of chocolate produced in March. Now their sum is 0,055. 7 plus 5 is 12, carry 1. 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 20 and plus 1, 21, carry 2. 5, 5, 10 and carry 2, we got 12. Now carry 1. 3, 2, 5, 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 1, carry 1, 8. Now 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 1, 3 and 1, 4. So here total chocolate produced in 3 months is 47,82,125. So hence the factory produced 47,82,125 chocolates in 3 months. Now come to the maths number 8. Mr. Bajaj bought a house for 34,25,600 and a computer for 46,450. How much money did he spend in all? See solution. At first cost of the house is rupees 34,25,600 and cost of computer is 46,450. Now how much money did he spend in all? It means you have to add this number. Total money you have to find, so add. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, 6 plus 4, 10, carry 1, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 and 1 carry, so 12, 12 is 2, carry 1, so 4 plus 2, 6 and 1, 7. Now 34 rest, so 34 I had written here. So Mr. Bajaj spent in all rupees 34,72,050. Hence Mr. Bajaj spent rupees 34,72,050 in all, means in purchasing a house and a computer. Okay. Now come to activity 3. In activity 3, here maths number 2, arrange in column and subtract it and check your answer. So at first you have to subtract this number. See, just I told you this number is known as minuend, then this number is known as subtrahend, and this is difference. So at first 0 minus 0 0, 7 minus 5 2, 9 minus 4 5, 7 minus 3 4, 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now how you will check? See, the procedure is at first you have to write the difference at the top, then you have to write subtrahend. At first difference, then subtrahend, and then you have to add these numbers. See, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 3 7, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 1 3 and 1 plus 1 2. See, again you will get the minuend. After adding difference and subtrahend, you will get minuend. See, the minuend was 23,47,917. Here again we will get 23,47,970. Okay, like this you have to do the next maths. Now maths number 3, again a word problem. The sum of two number is 7,28,11,500. If one of the number is 2,56,99,297, find the other number. See solution. At first, sum of the two number. Which is the sum of the two number? This one, 7,28,11,500, and one of the number is 2,56,99,297. So this is sum of two number and one number given. So to get the next number, we have to subtract this. See, after subtracting, what we get? 7 to 10, 3 carry 1, this become 10, 10 to 10 is 0, nothing carry 1, this become 2 become 3, 3 to 5 means 2, 9 to 11, 2 carry 1, 10 to 11 carry 1, then 7 to 8 means 1, and 5 to 12, 7 carry 1, this become 3, 3 to 7, 4. So the other number is this, 4,71,12,203. Hence the other number is 4,71,12,203. Now the last maths of the day. In 2008, the population of a country was 8,27,45,600. In 2000, the population become 8,58,99,725. Find the increase in population of the country. So how much population increase you have to find? How you will find it? At first, write population of the country in 2009. In 2009, the population became 8,58,99,725, and the population of the country in 2008 was 8,27,45,600. Now see their difference. After subtracting, we will get 5 to 0, 5, 7, 2, 0, 2, 6 to 7, 1, then 5 to 9, 4, 4 to 9, 5, 7 to 8, 1, and 2 to 5, 3. So what is the increase in population? The total increase in population is 31,54,125. Hence the increase in population is 31,54,125. Okay, so that's all for today. See here, I have given some homework. You have to do these works. I know you can do. Thank you everyone. Bye.